Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make a DIY shower bar. So shower bar, you're doing pretty much similar as a shampoo bar, just I would like to add to my shower bar extra ingredients such as like waxes, butters or heavier oils, which I wouldn't add to my shampoo bar. Okay, so let's dig in. Well, so for the first phase, we're gonna just take an empty beaker, and in that beaker I'm just gonna place few ingredients and then I will put them in my double boiler to melt it. So first of the ingredient I have in here is shea butter, unrefined shea butter. It's 8 grams of the shea butter, and as usual the whole formula and recipe you will find in the description box below. So I'm adding the shea butter here. Then I have in here Cetyl Alcohol, which is, it's not like alcohol per se, it's a very good emollient, thickener, works as a surfactant as well. It's 4 grams of it. It comes like in a little like white pearls here. So we're gonna melt this as well. As well, I have in here a sunflower oil. I have in here 10.4 grams of sunflower oil. Feel free to use any other oils like, I don't know, argan, olive oil, sweet almond oil, any other oils, what you have or maybe what you would like to use. And yes, so I will put all these 3 ingredients into my double boiler and let it to melt. So till my ingredients gonna melt it out, I have in here already weighed it out 48 grams because I'm making 80-gram bar of sodium cocoyl isethionate, which is a mild cleaning surfactant, solid surfactant as well. So to this in here I'm gonna add a stearic acid, which is as well works as a surfactant. It's only about 4 grams I have in here. It looks lovely in this little white pearls kind of. Okay. Then I have in here 0.5 grams of wheatgrass powder. It's literally for this, I'm using this for the kind of this lovely green color for the bar. And as well I have in here a liquid surfactant, Coco Betaine. It's 4 grams as well of this liquid surfactant. Before I add my liquid surfactant, I just mix the dry surfactants here. While working with the sodium cocoyl isethionate, make sure you are wearing the glass. You are wearing a mask, and yeah, because the powder it's really kind of fine powder, and it can easily get into your airways. So just be careful with it. So I'm gonna add my liquid surfactant just a little bit, and just trying to mix it. Okay, so my ingredients has melted here now, as you see. So what I will do then, now, just being careful, I'm gonna transfer it into my dry ingredients and just will mix it everything together. To this, I just want to add now my essential oil. I'm using here Lemongrass Essential Oil, which I need to add 0.8 grams. Perfect. And just mixing everything very well. Just to mix it properly, I'm just gonna put the gloves and get the whole lot onto my hands and get a bit dirty. So what I'm trying to do here, I will want to use this silicone molds and to make a green flower. hopefully I will be able to. Okay, so it's like a little dough again, like the way you do a shampoo bar. Lemongrass smells lovely, and the color is light pale, kind of green color. So as you see, it's lovely pale green color kind of, and the lemongrass smells amazing. I'm using this doTERRA lemongrass here, and it's really kind of strong, lovely smell. Okay, so what I will try to do now, I'm just gonna try to put nicely in this silicone mold just to get the nice green flower. So it's pretty soft, you know, but it's fine. Usually it depends of course how much of the liquid ingredients you are using, but usually it will take 1 or 2 days or sometimes even less to harden the bar that you will be able to start using it. Okay guys, so I will see you and the shower bar will get hardened. Okay, bye. Well guys, so it's been about 2 days and I have it here. As you see, it's not perfect. Yeah, you see it's lightly green color and it's lemongrass smell. So yeah, it's hard. It took about only 2 days to get hardened, so it's pretty hard, yeah. And what we'll do now, I have a little bowl here with the water, and we're just gonna check how it slathers. And straight away, as you see, there is all the lather here. And yeah guys, that's a shower bar, so keep washing yourself. It's all natural ingredients. Lemongrass, yes. And yeah, it lathers perfectly, and as well, it's gonna wash your body very well, guys. So yeah, try it. Let me know how you did in the comment section below, and I see you next week.